This is a Dreambox DM600 PVR remote. Let's see what's inside of it. It has a dream. There is the dream button. Pretty nice remote, but it's obsolete. Oh, you can write the code for your TV here, that's nice. It's a nice touch. This is a programming interface, never used it. Don't know if you can actually use it for something. But 2 AA batteries. That's good. It's a big remote. I dropped it. Okay. Oh, the dream. Dream button lights up. This the Dreambox. It has the TV controls, programmable keys, this playback, different menu, nice navigation, audio, video, menu, info, volume controls. Bouquet is for the satellite groups, satellite station groups. Bouquet. Folders basically. These numbers and the shift. I don't know what the shift does. I think it's time to take it apart and see what's inside. Made for Dreambox by UEI technology. Oh, design with, I don't know what's this, maybe some microchips or some special type of infrared sensors. Okay, one screw here. Let's see. Before that, I'll have my tea ready. Look how I make the tea. Make it in this thing black. Oh, black tea. Ready. My black tea is ready. Let's see. Feels a bit hot. Okay, now I'm ready. Time to get the opener tool. Okay, let's start. Oh, this looks like it's gonna be easy. Oops. Okay. Okay. I got it. Now it's easy. It's like easy peasy. Okay, the buttons go there. This has special coating. If you need to fix if your remote doesn't work, when you press the button, if nothing happens, you put a bit of aluminum foil glued with super glue on these things, the one that doesn't work, and the remote will work. This they just make contact with the stuff below here. So when that carbon has some kind of carbon coating that's conductive, and that's being conductive, it will make these contacts close the circuit, and that's how the remote works. If you put aluminum foil here, it will do the same. This is a bit not so nice to look at. But yeah, it's working. Oh, now it's so light. Wow. Most of the weight was on these things. Yeah. It's super light now. Oh, and it has an actual chip, and it's not one of those gooey chips on the board. I have no idea what this is. If you are interested, you search for these model chips and whatever. What is this? There's an Atmel chip. That's an Atmel chip. Looks like it's running on Arduino or something. The remote is running on Arduino. Could be. Yeah, Atmel chip, bunch of power stuff, resistors, nothing crazy here. It's so light now. Wow. Okay. So interesting how they make this one. I just pull it, yeah. Just comes right out. Wow. It has some interesting text on it. This is very basic, like super basic. One infrared LED, transmitter, don't know what I would do with this, probably nothing. Two LEDs here for the buttons. This board, it feels like paper, cardboard, something. And they have the description what they do. So LED 1 and 3, this is 2. Buttons, everything on the other side. Battery connectors. Don't know what's this. It's LED free. This is the year and the week, or I'm not sure. I don't know how to read these things. Oh, and what's this? It's a gift for me? Is it some logo of some company? It looks like someone has a gift for me. And some kind of ceramic capacitor and electrolytic capacitor. 105 degrees, 47 microfarads, 10 volts. 47 microfarads at 10 volts, and it's rated at 105 degrees. Should be getting really hot, this remote. Yeah, I mean, only this programming interface, maybe it's interesting where it's going. I think it's a double-sided board, I don't know. Looks like it's not doing anything. It's not doing anything. There's nothing on the other side. It's just fake. Really, there's nothing. Ah, there is some stuff. No, that's it. This connector doesn't do anything. There are no traces going to this thing. Interesting, the fake programming connector. It looks like it could do something, but it's not doing anything. This JP1, it says JP1. Down jumpers, but I think they had them there, but they changed their mind. It's a very basic remote. Only thing that's surprising is that it's not using those chip on board solutions, but it's this black gooey stuff, and it's using some actual microprocessors, and it's even written here what it should be, the model. This one and this one. Interesting. It's an old remote from a really old Dreambox, and these buttons are really too large. They are too big. Yeah, like this. Could try to put it back together. Let's see. Let's see if I can put it back together. So this thing goes to the LED in first. Oops, went in the wrong way. No. There you go. Went in. And the stuff here. Perfect. One more. Okay. And the screw. Will it still work? I don't know. Probably, yeah. Let's see. Looks like nope. One button is always pressed. Okay. Yeah, it still works. TV. All good. On the TV, you don't get to control it like this. Only these buttons. Okay. That's enough. That's the Dreambox remote. Really old. TV receiver, satellite receiver. Dreambox DM600 PVR. It had a hard drive in it, so you could do recordings of the satellite. Yeah, it's obsolete. Not much useful. I was thinking to use the remote for something else, the computer, but I can use my phone now. There are Bluetooth remotes. No need for infrared. So this has to go. Thanks for watching. Not much exciting. Only maybe that logo with the gift. Hidden gift inside the remote.